Hi friends, it's Jade from Sweet Softies here. I've got these two cute little Japanese charms to share with you. These are good weather dolls and they're called Teru Teru Bozu in Japanese, and it literally means shine shine monk, and what they do is they take away the rain and bring sunshine. So they're super awesome little charms to have if you like sunshine and if you want to add a cute little touch to your house. They're often hung on the windowsill or on the porch at the front door, and you can add a little hanging loop to just attach it to a nail. Now I've got two different sizes for these dolls, and there will be a big one and a small one, with the small one being free on my blog, so be sure to check that out if you'd like to make one too. And if you'd like to support me, the PDF pattern for both sizes will be available for a very small fee on my shop. So feel free to take a look at that. I also wanted to share that these two dolls are crocheted completely in one piece, so there's no sewing at all, and it really requires only the basic amigurumi stitches. So knowing how to do a magic ring, single crochet, increase, decrease, and double crochets would be pretty much it. You'll also need to, well, there's some surface slip stitches for the bow here. And the fun thing about the bow is that it's also crocheted directly to the doll's neck, so you don't have to do any sort of sewing at all. Alright, and these two little Teru Teru Bozus are very ready for Halloween as well. They would make adorable Halloween decorations, so you can make them for that holiday too. Hope you enjoyed looking at this pattern preview video, and hope you'll check them out. Bye now!